this is Sky Bennett with the Aruba Condominiums in Daytona Beach Shores, Florida. We're excited to announce that we are literally days away from the completion of what will be Daytona Beach Shores' newest condominium on the oceanfront. We'll begin closing in January as all the residences will be complete. As of today, 72 of our 84 properties are under firm contract and moving towards closing. This timing couldn't be better as we enter our busy season and new owners can't wait to enjoy the Aruba for themselves or even as an income-producing property. We would encourage you to contact us to set up a tour and to see all the progress that has been made to bring our vision to life, as well as the completed residences available for sale. These brand new residences will feature incredible ocean views, hard surface flooring, granite countertops throughout, stainless steel appliances, and spacious master suites with 8-foot panorama windows and walk-in style resort showers. If you'd like to receive our latest pricing and availability, please contact us at info@thearubacondos.com, call us at 386-320-3778, or visit our sales office at 3162 South Atlantic Avenue, Daytona Beach Shores, Florida, 32118. We look forward to hearing from you and hope to see you soon. Thank you.